away with me, which I'm gonna be. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the red subscribe button to join my glam squad, where I talk about makeup, beauty, skin, anything that will make you look glamorous. And this is the first time I'm talking about Korean skincare in my channel. I've never used a proper Korean skincare in my skincare regime. I always used Indian skincare products or foreign skincare products. So now today's video I am going to be talking about Cosrx, as you have seen. So now from Cosrx I have these three products which I'm going to be talking about, and what is my thought and how my skin reacted. Now before that, I want to mention my skin is oily, sensitive, like super sensitive and acne prone skin, but every skin type is different, every skin sensitivity is different. My can be more, your can be less, your can be more, my can be less. Why I'm saying this? Because I know there are many people out there who really love Cosrx as a brand and their products. Now there are few products like that really didn't work out for me, and I really didn't like the way my skin reacted. So that's the reason why I just wanted to give you a heads up before I jump into the video. And so now, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So now coming to the first product, this is the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Face Wash. Now this one is a gel based cleanser. It has slightly acidic pH level, helps to restore our ideal pH level. So now coming to the key ingredients that are in this face wash is number 1, betaine salicylate, which is almost like salicylic acid, like BHA, but it is not that strong like BHA. Like 4% of betaine salicylate is equal to 2% of salicylic acid. So that's first ingredient. Now the second ingredient is a fruit leaf extract. I'll just mention all the ingredients in the screen. And next ingredient is tea tree leaf oil, which helps in working as a anti-acne ingredient, helps in soothing out, drying out your acne and all of that. So it has good acne controlling properties. It also contains Hulmus davidium root extract. It is an anti-inflammatory product. It is a plant extract used as a traditional oriental medicine in China. So that is pretty sure a Korean ingredient. Now coming to what this face wash claims. It is dermatologically tested, it is alcohol free, it is paraben free, it is cruelty free, it is sulfate, and it is also vegan. Also gives a very refreshing and glowing feel to your skin, which is also good. But the only thing that gives me a headache about this product is that it has a very strong tea tree smell to it. It has no artificial fragrance as per the ingredient list, but it is not like completely fragrance free. Like when you are smelling something, you will smell a very strong tea tree. Before buying this Cosrx, I also kind of checked out few YouTube videos, I'll be very honest, but nobody mentioned about having a very strong tea tree smell to it. If I knew about that, I would surely not purchase this, because I don't like the smell of tea tree. It really gives me a headache. I cannot take it, and this is the only reason why I never bought the Body Shop tea tree face wash. I know so many of you guys again love that product because it's great for acne, but I could never buy it just because of one reason, because it has a very strong tea tree smell. That is why it is not my favorite. I am having it, so I'm using it. It didn't give me any breakup. The next product I would really like to talk about is their AHA BHA clarifying treatment toner. This is also a low pH formula made with purifying botanical ingredients. The mist is like super fine. It has the finest mist, like it has very fine mist. I would say I love toners which have very fine mist. Okay, before talking about the toner in depth, I want to talk about a few things. That is, number 1 is that this is a treatment toner, as it has mentioned. I don't know why they have given a pump, because treatment toners are usually used for a specific area. You cannot spritz it all over your face because it will exfoliate your skin. But this has a very mild exfoliation, like a very slightest bit of exfoliation, but still it can irritate your eyes. It can create exfoliation around your eye area, so you have to be very specific about this product, and that is the only reason I don't like the pump thing. Like, it makes no sense to me, because if I'm just gonna do it like this, it's just gonna exfoliate every part of my skin, like even on my eye, which has very thin layer of skin. So now coming to the ingredients, first ingredient, it has willow bark water, which works as an astringent and also works as anti-inflammatory property. Next, it contains apple fruit water, which doesn't have much benefits. I think if they had like apple fruit extract, I think that would be great, because it has a good skin smoothing out benefits, like skin softening and smoothing. I just wanted to quickly mention, it contains 10% of willow bark extract and 10% of apple fruit water. AHA and BHA, which is glycolic acid and salicylic acid, it contains 0.1% of glycolic acid and 0.1% of salicylic acid. So now that's the percentage of this toner. Now the only reason I don't like this toner, because I have other exfoliators that I use, like the ordinary AHA BHA, the Dot & Key AHA BHA, though I use it now monthly once or twice, but I already do exfoliation, and those are very powerful exfoliation, so I don't find a use of using this exfoliator every single day, because as I am from a sensitive skin family, so exfoliating every day doesn't make any sense. So this is just sitting in my vanity looking at me, and I'm looking at it. So I really don't get too much of use out of it. That's the main problem. If I cancel out the ordinary exfoliators and the Dot & Key serum exfoliators, then I would say I would love to use this one. Now if you're a beginner, I would say start off with this kind of product, and this also has no fragrance to it, so it's an exfoliator without any fragrance. I also want to make a video about chemical exfoliation, like an in-depth video about chemical exfoliation for sensitive skin. If you want to watch, or if you want to know about that, please make sure you like the video. I'll understand. My most favorite product from Cosrx is the snail mucin. So over here it contains 96% of snail mucin. Yes, now first thing I'm gonna be giving you a roundabout about snail mucin, which is that they actually generate the snail mucin is that they kind of make, there is like a dark room where they actually let the snail walk and do their own thing in that particular room, and the floor of the room a little bit coarse, but it doesn't harm the snail, as they have their own lather and they kind of slime and kind of groove on that, so it doesn't harm them, but it actually helps in, you know, collecting the snail mucin. If you're someone with dry and dehydrated skin, this product would be really great. I am telling you guys, I am being very honest, like I love this product. Being an oily skin girl, it absorbs to your skin like a magic. Now snail mucin is actually packed with nutrients such as hyaluronic acid, glycoprotein, antimicrobial properties. All are beneficial for skin, and snail slime contains 91 to 98% of water, so it has a very good power of holding, you know, water and moisture to your skin, and it is super great. Now snail mucin acts as a humectant. Now humectant means like it has a very high power to actually attract moisture to the skin and actually making your skin super hydrated, super supple. So I have been using this product for 3 months, and this much of amount of product I have finished. I have so much left, and it contains 100 ml of product. It has a very good quantity. All of their products have a very good quantity. And even if you are just in case wondering, this is a highlighter. This is not a highlighter. Yes, I've done a makeup because I like to do makeup. Like, this is the only chance I can do makeup, when I shoot a YouTube video or film a YouTube video. Otherwise I'm just sitting at home doing my office work, not getting ready, not going out. So this is the only time I get my own chance to do makeup or get ready. So if you are interested in this part of my face, like why it is super glowy and super smooth and slick, it is first of all this, and then a moisturizer, a cream blush and foundation. That's all. I'll mention all the links to buy this product in my description box below. Check that out. I don't get any benefits out of that. It's just to help you out, guys, because it is very hard to get this product. It is out of stock in Nykaa, it is out of stock in everywhere, and Amazon sells it at super high price as if it has diamonds in it, but it is still a gem. I hope you liked this video and hope this video was helpful for you guys, and please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it. Let's wrap it up for today, guys, and we'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, see ya, love you.